Hello. So I'm going to start to try and do some kind of let's play videos on YouTube, and I start with Minecraft 1.9. And yeah, I haven't really been uploading lately on YouTube because last weekend I actually streamed on Twitch, and I use a server for that. And yes, Craft Bucket as Spigot is released for Minecraft 1.9 as well. But this will be a sort of streaming world or Twitch world. For YouTube, I will actually use a single player world. And Minecraft 1.9, new version, new world. And what I will actually try to do is that I will have this world for a longer period of time, unless the Mojang decide to do some massive changes on how the world is created and stuff like that. In this version, the end was changed. Now you have end cities and stuff like that. So that's why I create a new world. And I really hope I can have this world for longer than a year. So I will name this like this, 36, and it's for 1.9, so I just no dots. And I've been playing Minecraft for since 2011, May 2011. And during that time, Minecraft was in beta stage. And I think it was in like beta 164 or something. And back then you could only play Minecraft in survival mode. There were no other modes. And I played it for straight, like 2 years straight, and I got so bored with the game that I actually quit the game. I stopped playing the game for almost, or was it 6 or 7 months? Something like that, or whatever, I don't remember, but I remember I stopped playing the game because I got so frustrated with survival mode, and when they actually implemented creative mode in the game, I actually started to play the game again, and I never went back to survival. So for me, it will be creative mode. And some people say it's cheating. No, it's not cheating. It's only cheating if you play in survival mode and go in creative mode and get items. That's cheating. But if you only play in creative mode, it's not cheating. It's another way to play the game, and it's built into the game. It's not a mod or anything. It's built into the game, so it's not cheating. As I said, if you play survival and go into creative mode and cheat in items, that's cheating. So creative mode for me, and I'm actually going to have bonus chests as well. And cheating, allowed cheats, yes, I want to be able to do commands. And I will actually use I use the same seed for every new world, and I use the same seed since, well, 5 years. I'm using the same seed for 5 years. That's the seed I use, because that's the seed I got from the first world I ever created in Minecraft 5 years ago. So that's that. So done creative mode and create new world. And of course it's going to take a little time here because it's the first time I create this world. And also I am recording as well, so this might take a little while. And here we go. Boom, shakalaka. And my CPU goes up to 100% here, while it's actually loading or creating the chunks around here. And this will be sort of, this is the sort of spawn area. And there you see that's the bonus chest of there. And what I always do is that when I first create the world, I want to know where I actually spawned the first time. Achievement get, yes. and I will actually place a sea lantern over here and also some torches. No, I will actually have a bedrock, because if someone actually wants to play this world in a survivor mode, they can't destroy this. So yeah, I'm thinking of having this world as sort of a world download, so people might want to download this. Alright, so that's my first spawn point, and there's a bunch of trees here. And what I'm actually going to do is that I'm going to change the main spawn point, because over here I'm actually going to build a spawn point, and let's actually see the coordinates for that specific spawn point. And let's get that document up here. Let's see, I'm sorry for not having that up yet. Positions for that, and it should not be that, it should be this one. And the spawn should be over. It should be. Let's do it like this. Over here. And now I'm actually going to place a block underneath this. And you do that with special command. And that is a command called set block. Like this. And just press enter and it will place a block underneath you. Like that. And this should actually be 379, 72. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. But yeah, this will be sort of the spawn point for a new world. And how you do that is, how to change the world spawn is that you actually bring up the chat and you / and you type set world spawn. You type that command, and the new world spawn will be over here. So when people, if you're on a server for example, people will actually spawn in this area over here. It won't be exactly here, but it will be around the 20 block area around this block. And I will actually build a big spawn area over here. And yeah. And of course I'm going to build a lot of stuff here, but this is the kind of the first episode, so I'm just talk a little here. And over here I will actually have a big sort of map showing the entire world, and I will show you how to create this map as well. And right now I can actually show you right away one of the field commands. And as you can see, I play pure vanilla. There's no mods, no nothing, not even Optifine. Optifine is not even released for 1.9 when I'm recording this video. So it's pure vanilla. And yeah, 1.9 is so new, it's been out for like 10 days, 11 days when I'm recording this. So there's no mods or anything for my Minecraft 1.9, not even Optifine. So I'm actually using vanilla commands, and people don't believe that you can actually do this in vanilla. They think you need a mod for this, but what you can do is, like, you see that the black line here, and that's the hitbox for an item. And to use sort of the field command, you need to watch a block like this, and you need to have that black line over there. So what I do here is I'm going to select this block first and use the fill command, then space. And how do you get the coordinates? Well, you can either just get it by just looking over here, or you can use a thing called autocomplete. And what you do is that you fill space and then you press the tab key once, and you get the first set of coordinates. And the first set of coordinates was 366. It was that one. Space, and you press tab again, and you get the Y level. Space and press tab. And this command doesn't really work, or the autocomplete doesn't work on a server. I tried. The only thing, if you try to press the tab here, I will only get 000, which is annoying. And I don't want to have the F3 menu up all the time. I just want to be able to just type fill and tab. So now I actually selected the first block, and what I did here that I just selected it and I cut it out. I want to keep that, and then I go to the other corner here. I will go to, let's say, over here somewhere, and I'm going to see, I'm looking at that block there. So first you need to paste in the first selection, and now you're going to enter the second selection, and you autocomplete as well by pressing tab key, space, tab, space, and tab. And then you press space again, and now you need to tell Minecraft what kind of block should I fill with this area with. And you can either select, if you want to clear things out, I can select air, and then I just press tab to autocomplete, and there you see it will actually sort of delete blocks, but it doesn't really delete it. It will just replace the blocks with air blocks, basically. But I don't want just air, I want actually to fill this with grass blocks. So what you do is and you don't even need to type the entire word. You just tab and it will automatically type in here grass. And for example, if you want to fill this with planks, you can do this, but you only get the regular oak planks. But let's say that you want to have the dark oak planks. Well, what you do is that you have the planks here, and every single you see I have actually sort of key. You see that it says dark oak wood planks, and there's 0005/5. So the last number there is actually the item ID for the dark oak planks, and that's number 5. And jungle planks have number 3, and you can see the regular oak planks have 0. So if I want to have the dark oak planks instead of regular planks, I go here planks and press space and then number 5, and it will be dark oak. If I change the number to 3, I will get jungle blocks. So that's kind of how the fill works, but I just want grass like that. And let's say I want to fill this area, I can just fill like that, and then I go to this block over here. Oops. Paste it in, tab, and grass. So yeah, you don't need any mods. You can use World Edit, but World Edit is a plugin and it's meant for servers, but this is actually pure single player. For example, if I want to remove this grass blocks over here, I can just place bedrock here and look at it. And I go to the second corner over here somewhere. Should be like over here, over there. And I just look at it like that, and and I want to fill it with air like that. And you can also do it like this. Like that. So that's kind of how you do it. And it's pure vanilla, as you saw. I am in vanilla. And it's getting dark. So it might be good to sort of end this episode. But yeah, next episode I will start to build this spawn platform. So I say good night for now. See you later.